Okay, our hand position for chopsticks. We have both little fingers on the C's. There's middle C for reference purposes. So we're on the C's either side with our little fingers. I'm just running the fingers in towards middle C from that on consecutive white keys. So we're going to play this with the two hands straight away. The left hand is only playing fingers 1 or 5 nearly throughout the entire piece. So we begin with 1 and 2 together in the right hand, along with the 1 in the left hand. And then we repeat the right hand, and together again. So let's just do that again. So it's... Then we let the thumb in the right hand drop down 1 note onto E. We're going to play the little finger on the left hand, along with 1 and 2 in the right hand. So this time it's like this. And keep the right hand going, and together again. So let's try that again. Now we bring the thumb back again to join the other fingers on the right. And this time we're going to play fingers 1 and 4 3 times. We're going to come in with 1 on the left again. So together, 1, 1 and 4. And the same again. And then we drop the thumb down 1 again on the right. This time we're going to play fingers 1 and 5. And we're going to bring them in with 5 on the left again. Then we play finger 1 on the left. We play finger 3 on the left, again with 1 and 5 on the right. And finger 5 on the left with 1 and 5 on the right. Then on the right, on its own, 4, 3. So we'll run through that first half of the piece. It goes like this. Now, the next part coming up is a repeat of the start again with 1 on the left, 1 and 2 on the right. And again, drop that thumb down 1, playing fingers 1 and 2 along with 5 on the left. Bring the thumb back again, fingers 1 and 4 on the right with 1 on the left. Let the thumb drop 1 again, 1 and 5 right, 1 left. Sorry, 5 left. Now bring the thumb back. We're going to play 1 and 2 on the right again with 1 on the left. Drop the thumb down again. 1 and 5 right, 5 left. So it's just like that. So the whole piece with a bit of practice and you'll get your speed up hopefully.